third year first pass today. Oh, I love it. Let's rock and roll all night long.
First pass. Uh-oh. That's not good.
Let's make it 3 for 3, brother. Make it 3 for 3. God, you suck. Oh my God, you suck it.
Trojan doing what Trojan does. Let's see that smoke screen. Well, crap.
Hey, welcome to the channel, guys. Good news, we made it to the track. Bad news, we obviously freaking suck. Oh my God, man. I told Trojan, let's have a good day, and he immediately, it wasn't his fault. You know, driver sucks. I just suck. So, side note, it was me, Kevin, Kyle, Eric, Coyote Brian, but he came with a friend. He parks near us, but you know, he's not with us. So he brought a friend who had a Coyote powered turbo C4 car. Coyote Brian got his Mustang back running. His girlfriend finally finished getting the clutch squared away and getting all the wiring done. He had a Gen 1 Coyote in it, and he put a Gen 2 or 3. I know nothing about Coyotes except that they're this wide and they are loud as dog shit. It doesn't matter what muffler, they are loud. Man, they're loud. They run good though. I ain't gonna lie about that. They run good. Them things are fast as hell. But man, they are an assault on the eardrums. Whew! So he had his car up there. Kevin's channel, Nimrod 1769, will have all of his and Eric's races. I personally filmed them, so make sure you say the commentary was completely awesome. Because he was like, hey, you didn't zoom in. Dude, I'm talking. I'm getting the crowd into it. You know, worried about me zooming in, see if you put the flashers on somebody? What are you talking about? People want to know exactly what's going on. They want to hear the hype machine. You know what I mean? So all his passes are on there. Big Block Kyle was there too. Damn, he's going to get mad I forgot about him. Kevin's got some of his passes. He's got some of Coyote Brian's passes. And so, but I did all the filming for Eric and Kevin. So make sure you check that out because they had them a battle. So there's been a lot of smack talking going on between them two. So they had them a battle. I had a battle with my inner demon. My inner demon. Whatever. But I've got the time slip sitting there, but bottom line is the first was 145, 60 foot, and we shanked the heck out of it. Second was a 147, and we shanked the crap out of that one too. So moving on. noticed in the video we had a vibration, and I thought maybe a rotor was a little wheel nut, you know, was a little loose. Check them up. Second pass, same thing. I'm like, okay, something's going on. One of the tires, one of the old front runners that I had, some MT ones, not my Hoosiers. One of them's got a cord separator or something in it. It's hard to see it, but that's what the problem was. I put the regular driver front runners on, and that calmed that down. Because I was thinking to myself, on the way up there, it's fine. And I'm like, I mean, I'm not going that fast, but it's fine. So we pulled around to make our third pass, and we ran, well, we launched the car, and I told myself I'm just going to granny shift third, which I ended up granny shifting fourth too, just whatever. Because I just wanted to get A to B, at least one A to B pass. So we did that. It went 686. Here's a picture of the time slip. It went 686. It's a personal best 60 foot. That's a personal best ET. And it tied the mile an hour. But also we have less gear in the car, and it's driving all over the place, and the granny shifting, that's going to kill the mile an hour a little bit. So there's more left in it. And we'll get to that in a second. But I was so frustrated with the day that I did not have a celebratory Mountain Dew. Now it is Tuesday today, so I've had a full, basically day and a half at least to cool off. Even though it ran personal, I just didn't feel like celebrating a personal best. And then we went up there, and I don't even know what happened on that pass. The whole thing was just a damn mess, and I decided I was done for the day. But since I have had a day and a half or so to cool off, we will have a personal best Dew Strike with the real Sugar Mountain Dew. This is the real, this is the one we can get it on with right here. Oh my God, I'm so discombobulated right now. Dr. Fear, he's not just living rent free in my head. I'm paying him rent.
That's right. I'm the landlord of your soul, boy.
That's how bad it is. Oh, pt Dew Strike. Woo! Some of you guys may remember the one where I fell down at the track. Kevin still laughs about that. It was funny. Oh, yeah, I got to pay Dr. Fear rent. Man. So we sucked. Big Block Kyle, a pretty good day. 704, 702, 70. The car's been 690s, and weather was not great. I'll throw the DA, maybe I'll throw it right here. The DA was like above 2,000, like all day, 25, 22, 23, 24, 2,500. So it wasn't a great day. That, as far as that went. Went to Whataburger, had fun. I bought Kyle's meal because he's the only one that didn't run personal best. Eric and Kevin both ran PVs at the track. So did we. What are we going to do now? Well, I guess we'll talk about that in the next video, because we got, we got to work. We got some stuff to do. So car, we did not have a great day. It's frustrating. We've not had a great year. So anyway, that's it. A lot of talking, a little bit of racing. We struggled again. So anyway, we're not giving up. We're not giving up. We're just going to come back. We're just going to keep on trying. That's all we can do is keep on trying. So we'll get it figured out. And that old number 5, I ain't even changed the spark plug in it. Normally when I bring Trojan, because number 5 sucks oil, I change the spark plug. When I get there, I put a cleaned plug in. I ain't even done that. I just been running him on 7.75 cylinders to get you some of that. So anyway, thanks for commenting. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for all the ways you guys support the channel. We couldn't do it without you. We wouldn't want to. I mean, Dr. Fear, the guy wouldn't even be able to afford to eat or anything like that. You keep him alive. Trust me on that. But especially Thanks for watching. And until next time on the substandard leader of Fox Body videos on this here man YouTube, 1 year only, twin turbo, push rod, 5-speed Lincoln Town Cars, 4 drag vans, proud owner, proprietor, remodeler, business owner, I said owner, business owner, strip pole dancer, bartender, of Club Big Boost. Big Boost. And as always, fight a good fight against those zombie Mustangs and that rascal Dr. Fear. Man, we took it in the face. We'll see you guys in the next video. And the combination for Trojan and all the cars typically is listed in the description of the video. So, see you guys next time.